So this is how you can underline a message on iMessage. So let's go ahead and open up iMessage real quick. And here are the ways you can underline messages. So the first one is numbers. So when you type numbers like this, I'm gonna type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, there is an underline because it is a number. Basically, any kind of number works. Just try numbers out and they will be underlined. The next type of underlined messages is dates. So for example, I'm gonna put December 3, and as you can see, it's underlined because it is a date. I think you could even do like days of the week. Well, I guess not, but it still counts for days. And the third thing you can do is Gmails or emails. So I'm gonna type a random email, hello@gmail.com, and there you go, it's underlined. Now, if you actually want to underline a message, you can do so by going to Notes and type whatever you want. I'm gonna type hi there, and then go to this AA button and tap on the U with the underline. There you go. It is now underlined. You could even add like different fonts, I think, or you could make it bold, italic, or have a line in the middle. But basically, that is how you can underline messages. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.